Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Emirates Islamic online banking account. This bank offers a rewarding banking relationship that puts you at an advantage, bringing you exclusive offers and preferential pricing. Now, firstly, you need to open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now, in the search bar, you can simply search EmiratesIslamic.ae and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the top right you can see login option. You can click over there. You have to click on the first one, EI plus online banking. After that you will be led to this kind of interface. Here you need to fill down your credential, that is your email or username and your password. Now if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your account, then you can check on this box. And if you have forgot your credential, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. And if you haven't registered for your Emirates Islamic account, then here you can see the option register. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to register. Now, if your credentials are ready, you can click on login and you will be successfully logged in to your Emirates Islamic bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.